How to transfer money to stake from your Binance account on mobile. So to do it, first of all, you have to open your Binance mobile application. Then you have to log in into Binance account using your Binance mobile application. Then you will find a withdraw option. Basically, to withdraw your money, you have to click on wallet at the bottom of the screen, select withdraw. Now here it will give you a choose to cryptocurrency, that in which cryptocurrency you want to withdraw or you want to transfer to stake. For example, it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, whatever. So just select it. Now here it will ask your recipient address. Open the stake app now. Visit the stake website on your mobile browser. Log in into your stake account and navigate to the deposit section. Select the cryptocurrency you choose on Binance to deposit. Copy the deposit address provided by stake. Now here, enter withdrawal details on Binance. Now go back to the Binance app, paste the stake deposit address into the recipient address field and double check whether it's correct or not, because if a wrong address is selected, then there will be loss of funds. Now here you have to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw to your stake account. Ensure that the amount or accounts for any withdrawal fee charged by Binance, so also check that. Now here they will verify. So here, if your app, Binance app, have any additional security, for example 2FA or email confirmation, OTP, then it will ask for it. Then submit, then tap withdrawal or submit to initiate the transfer. Wait for the transaction to proceed. The stake, this time it takes can be depending upon network congestion. It's take a very few seconds, sometimes it goes around 5 to 10 minutes, or sometimes it's take an hour. Right, so check status account. Once a transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the funds will appear in your stake account. You can check the deposit history or balance in the stake app or website to confirm the receipt of funds. So this is how you can transfer money from stake from your Binance account on mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe.